video. Today we're going to be making funnel cakes. Sorry for not posting a video last week. I just launched my website. So make sure you go look at specialtybakes.com in the description down below if you want some cookies or some lollipops or even a girl boss shirt. Let's get to it. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be making funnel cakes. The things you will be needing. Well, I'm going to put all the ingredients and with their measurements in the description down below. But I have flour, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, 2 eggs, milk, and vanilla. So we're going to combine all of our ingredients together in a bowl. Eggs and our milk. And I already have my oil warming up on the stove right here. So now that we have all of our ingredients together, we're gonna mix.
Mix it all. Get it nice and all mixed together. We don't want no flour chunks or nothing.
I'm gonna put it, literally people put it in a funnel, because funnel cake, but I don't know where ours is at, so I'm just gonna use the piping bag and put the mixture in the bag. I'm gonna put like half in there. Okay, now I'm gonna move. Hey guys, so I'm back and this is what it looks like. Hold on. Yeah. Looking good. So now we're just gonna try it. Here it comes. Alright. I would do I did a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I would do a teaspoon of vanilla extract and like a couple, I don't know. Hold on, let me see. Ow. I would do like a couple dashes of cinnamon. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe and comment to see what you want to see next. And I will see you next time.